Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of looking at dull, swirl-marked paint and want that wet, factory-fresh shine, you are in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best car polishes and waxes on the market right now. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a detailing pro, we've got something for you. By the way, I've put the links to all the products mentioned in the description below so you can check them out and see the latest details. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the classic Formula 1 Carnauba Car Wax Paste. This is a fantastic, budget-friendly option for those who love the traditional, hands-on feel of applying a paste wax. It features advanced micro-polishing agents that are specifically designed to remove light haze and pesky paint swirls. It leaves behind a deep, high-gloss shine and a protective layer of Carnauba wax that makes water bead away effortlessly. At number 4, we have something special for the dark paint owners. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions, Ceramic Acrylic, Black Car Polish, and Wax. Black cars show every single scratch, but this polish is actually infused with black pigmented Carnauba wax to hide imperfections. Plus, the ceramic polymers and acrylic infusion deliver a durable, water-repelling shield that protects against UV rays and oxidation, keeping that mirror-like black shine for much longer. Taking the number 3 spot is the ultimate time saver, new finish once a year, Polish and Sealant. This product features 3-in-1 ceramic technology that repairs fine swirls, seals the paint, and repels water, all without the need for heavy rubbing or buffing. You can even apply it in direct sunlight. If you want a full year's worth of protection with minimal effort, new finish is a very reliable choice for any car owner. Coming in hot at number 2 is the 3D POXY Montan Wax Sealant. This is a premium, made in the USA hybrid wax known for its durability. What makes this special is the Montan wax formula, which delivers a breathtaking, long-lasting, high-gloss finish. It's a non-staining formula, so you don't have to worry about white residue on your black plastic trim. It's incredibly easy to apply and gives your car that deep, wet look shine. And finally, our number 1 spot goes to an absolute legend, Meguiar's Deep Crystal Carnauba Wax. Meguiar's has 125 years of industry leadership, and this product shows exactly why. It's the perfect final step after polishing, locking in a brilliant shine while aggressively blocking out UV rays. It's compatible with all clear coats, incredibly easy to wipe off, and delivers professional-grade, shimmering results every single time. There you have it, the top 5 car polishes to keep your ride looking flawless. I've linked all these products in the description below so you can check out the current details. Which one are you going to try on your car? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more auto care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.